I just want to walk neck on the tongue. You just want to send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now. That just begun. I ain't giving out no to no, just for fun. No, you dumb. Run a man. I don't know no other man. Run it up. Like 100, just for 100 bands. What?
Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here with us. We're headed to a family dinner. Madison wanted some sushi. She wanted to try sushi. So we were like, okay, it's been a while since we've been to Hibachi anyway. That's her favorite. So we were like, we'll just go to Hibachi and then we'll get them to deliver some sushi to the table and we'll see how she reacts. And I'll catch all of that on camera, so be prepared. But yeah, right now we're waiting on her dad to get in the car, and once babe gets in the car, we are headed out. So say hey to the people. Hey. All right. How you feel? You gotta bite more.
It tastes perfect.
Does it? Give it another bite. You gotta eat the crab too. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Hey y'all, we're back. You see I'm cooking dinner. I decided that I'm gonna get into baking, which is very exciting. So I made an impulse purchase today. We're gonna be testing out Drew Barrymore's new stand mixer. I had a KitchenAid in my cart, which also had 3 attachments on it. The price point between them is crazy, for one. And then I tried to look up some reviews, and all the reviews I saw, they had a KitchenAid prior to this one, and they enjoyed this one. And I'm like, well, I'm not no, crazy baker. I'm new to this, not true to this. I'm gonna be completely honest. So I don't need to go out and do that. Not yet. But once we get this stand mixer whipping on some crazy mess, then we gonna up the game. Go ahead and get that KitchenAid or that Kenmore. But for right now, we got Drew Barrymore. If she mess around and stand the test of time, though, we might not ever have to change. Like, she might just like upgrade and like get better and better with like her mixers, and then we can just keep, And I knew, she knew, we knew, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give you guys sponsorship. Ain't gotta be nothing crazy. But I promise you, I'm finna be baking, baby, with your stuff. But yeah, so I'll do an unboxing and then we will get into it. Okay, so the cakes are out and they look beautiful. So we're letting them cool. This is like some sample color because we were trying to do lavender. Now we got like some like plum purple. It didn't work out. We went with pink. It's okay. Got our yummy cakes. We don't have a Sir Squeeze, but our simple syrup is in here, and then we just poked holes in the top. You know how that go. But I'm very excited once the cakes cool to level them, crumb coat, simple syrup, all of that good stuff. And I will try my best to remember to catch it on camera. If I don't, you guys will see the end result. Popping on random boop. We're making a cake. Okay, so I've done majority of everything already. I'm using my phone to vlog like this. That's how impromptu I decided to record this. I have already baked the cakes, mixed everything, but I will link the ingredients and the recipe that I followed below. So don't, be discouraged. So right now, this is the second cake I have ever made. So I don't want to hear no judgment. The last one tastes delicious, but I really rushed and did some stupid stuff. So we're not going to talk about it. Okay, this is my simple syrup that I got in a bottle. We poked holes in the top. I think I showed you on another video. Maybe, I don't know, I don't remember. We'll see when I throw this together. But right now, I am literally in the moment. So what I'm about to do is try to level these cakes. I baked 2 9-inch. I'm gonna try to level them evenly and then crumb coat them, chill them, and ice them. So let's do it. I need a knife. Hold on, guys. Cake number 1. We're on my island, if anybody's wondering like why we are in a really weird spot. Okay. It looks pretty even. So we're just gonna cut off the entire like top. Like I said, this is only my 2nd cake ever, so please y'all don't like kill me in the comments, please. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I think I did pretty good. Okay, so let's taste it. Pretty good. All right, slide it over. Try to make sure it's even as possible. All right. I'm gonna take it off and do the other layer, and then we will put the simple syrup, and then boom. So yeah, same ordeal. Even like right at the okay. Again, pretty good. So what we're gonna do is simple syrup. And this is to keep the cake moist. So yep. Simple syrup to the inside. And then the, oh snap, y'all are leaning on the buttercream. Hold on, y'all. Okay. And then I was watching a video today. I was watching a video today, and she said to put a good amount on the first, like in the middle, and then let it run out to the edges a little bit. She was like, because you can use that as part of your crumb coat. So let's do that. So spreading. It spreads so smooth, y'all. So this is my first time making, what does she call it? Italian Swiss meringue buttercream. It's my first time making it. When I tasted it, it tasted really good. Like really, really, really good. Okay, so clearly I need to put more in the middle. Like really good. So I'm really proud of that. But cause she has like a 7-minute recipe, and I'll link that down below too. And when I say she, I'm talking about Yolanda from How to Cake It. And she has like a 7-minute recipe, and I crushed that the first time. So I was like, well, I'm definitely gonna shoot for what I actually really wanted to learn how to make, which was her Swiss meringue buttercream. And I'm doing it this time. That's what this is. It was very interesting. I won't say it's easy, but I won't say it was hard. I will say read the directions, because she gives you a bit of encouragement at a point where I know I hit, and I was like getting so discouraged. I was like, oh my God, I don't think this is about to come out right. Like, oh crap. Oh, leave that on the outside. Crumb coat. Okay, silly me. But yeah, I was like, I don't think this is gonna come out right, and I got so nervous. So yeah, just don't keep the hope or the faith or whatever, you know. Don't give up, like she said in the instructions on the buttercream. If you're gonna make the Swiss meringue, if you choose to make the regular 7-minute icing that she has on her website as well, and she has a video, then it's very easy. I think anybody could crush it, even you guys. So, and that's not to say that you guys couldn't crush something. That sounded, I don't know. Anybody could crush it. That's all I'm trying to say. It's very easy. And we are all very capable people. Jesus Christ. So here's the other layer of cake. Simple syrup. And what I saw her do was lay this one with the like bottom side up, because it's like perfectly even. I said, oh, that makes sense. So I'm gonna flip this over, and then boop. And then we're going to crumb coat now. That's what this is. No, crumb coat. So, and she was like, crumb coat doesn't have to be perfect or anything. So let's just, and it's supposed to be thin. So we're gonna do a really thin coat on here. Crumb coat. Crumb coat and chill is what she says on her videos. So let's crumb coat and chill, baby. Yeah. Right now, and crumb coat. And I'm really loving how this is going, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like right now, like my confidence in this cake is very high. Like I said, this is the second one, because the first one, my confidence, that's why y'all didn't even see that cake. Maybe I did, because you know what? We are all friends here, and nobody's perfect. And we all used to watch Hannah Montana. So let's get nobody's perfect. I gotta work it, okay? Okay. So I'm over here trying my best, baby girl. I'm doing the best I can. Okay, crumb coat complete. Nice. So crumb coat complete. Looks pretty good. I am very satisfied. So we're gonna put it in the fridge, and then we'll come back and actually ice it. And because I don't want my icing to like break down or like melt on me or anything, I'm gonna put it in the fridge too. Move this up a level. Here's my cake. All finished, and we will taste it in a minute once it's chilled.
Iba por mi mente quieta. Mi corazón está llena, tú te sientes diferencia. Te toca mi triple, esa comida feel bad. Deja mi feel sad, a vos te parece. Te toca mi triple, esa comida feel bad. Comida feel sad, eso te vas a mi quiere. Y te toca mi
for date night. Just I got like a half up, half down going with my hair. He's coming and take passenger princess today. But yeah, so here comes the big titty knee. We out. So we got wawa shrimp with banana peppers. Alright y'all, so we're headed on a solo movie date. Light makeup beat, no foundation, just a little contour. We just shaped our brows because these are my natural brows. Little lip. Perfume, I have on Ebony Wood and Kate Spade. But other than that, let's get out of here. Go on our solo movie date. Alright y'all, this is the fit. I don't remember where I got these top. Pants are from Fashion Nova. Shoes are Gucci slides, something. Just really chill because we're just going to the movie solo date. Purse is Coach, Apple Watch, nothing special. Yay. I need to put some earrings on though. Okay, y'all, movie's over. Fast 10 was pretty good. I did enjoy it. Lots of action, lots of the usual Fast and the Furious type of vibe. They're definitely coming out with another one based on the way that it ended. So I am kind of excited about that because I was like, hold on, wait a minute. What just happened? But it was a pretty good movie. So right now we're headed home. Nothing really going on later on today, so I'll probably get back with you guys tomorrow, or this might be the end of the vlog. So